Today is going to be a slightly different stream than normal. Still going to be working on MovieOtter, of course, but it's going to be a little bit shorter. It's going to be about half the time. My girlfriend is actually going to be recording a podcast in here with some of her friends in a bit. We only have one home office, which I don't know how many home offices people tend to have, but I feel like we're pretty average with maybe even above average with our one home office. So with that being said, in order to help facilitate that, we're just gonna do a front end power hour where we got an hour to stream. I'm gonna be off by 9, so maybe a little bit less than an hour, but that's okay because we are still gonna be able to do a lot here in just this 1 hour. So if you remember, we left off, we were building out the page to actually create our list. We don't have any UI to go off of. This is not something that originally was going to be in the, what do you call it? Mocks for MovieOtter, but that's okay. So we are working here. You can see like we have that. Fast and Furious definitive order. All right, you can make a list here. Let's see. I feel like we'll have a title. Description's probably going to be needed, right? Let's work on our list page. There you go. Down here in content. This is if you're editing. If you're not editing, so if you go to something/foo, right, it loads the page. It doesn't load the page. What? Cannot read property list ID of null. This is on list page 23. Oh. Okay. List edit match. Let me do that. Cool, no list ID with that found, which is great, that's fine. I'm actually very curious. If we look at our components, let's see, no, not footer. In the movie box, in this, we have a null component. Trying to find our component here. Let's see. All right, well, I guess it's somehow this. That doesn't make any sense. How'd that work? So, there's some movie boxes. All right. Hey, Jedi, what's up, dude? Not sure if you caught it. Today's stream is going to be a little bit different. We're doing a power hour, so just an hour straight of hard work. Let's see. I have to get off in an hour because my girlfriend's going to be using the home office room here to do some recording and with friends for podcasts. So want to be respectful of her time and yeah, not just take up the whole everything in here. List, edit, match. What's going on with you, man? How's it been? How has it been? How goes it? Funny you mentioned podcasts. My friend and I are thinking about starting one when he finishes college midterms. Oh, dude, that's actually dope. I thought you were gonna drop a film beaver joke on me there, but that's dope, dude. Heck yeah. What's do you guys have any idea like what it's gonna be about or anything like that? Okay, cool. I can't do that. Sweet. So that means down here. Editing is going to be Boolean that or Boolean list edit match. Not sure yet. Probably something pretty general, but we're both into computer science, dude. That sounds dope. I like it. I like that a lot. It's pretty dope. I guess technically is new. It's still fine. What I want to do is editing. Well, if you ever need anyone to take a listen or I don't know, give feedback or whatever, let me know. I'm more than happy to help. Again, I'm not like a pro or anything, but I have learned a lot about recording stuff since I started streaming. So any way I can help, let me know. Let's see, const list ID equals list ID match list. Why doesn't it like that? Oh. List edit match list ID. No. Actually, we could just do this. I don't have to care actually about is new. Okay, so we can get rid of that. We can say list ID. Oh, well, that would have been wrong this whole time. Guess we don't really just need that at all. There's a new list match. There's a match for just the list ID, and there's a match for editing the list ID. Cool. Hey, Ninja, what's up, dude? All right, yeah. Just have your people call my people. You know, we'll do good work. I'll hook you up with the studio time. You know, I'll give you a discount, obviously, because you know we go way back. So, yeah, you know, NBD, no big deal, right? Cool. This should be now not yelling at me. If I go here, cool. It's picking up the edit. If I go here, it's not picking up the edit. Perfect. That is surprisingly what we want. And then if we just go to list, then boom, we get this, so we can finish filling out, actually making our list. Okay. Let's see here. So we have this data. Potentially null. How do I want to do this? I guess it would only ever be null for like a split second, which I think for the time being, that's just gonna have to be okay, you know? Right, Ninja? Okay. So if we're editing, then we have this. We can actually, let's just duplicate. We're not gonna worry about what it looks like when we're not editing yet, just because that seems like a lot of work. You know, I'm gonna be honest. A lot of work that I don't think we really have time for in this front end power hour that we got going on. So let's see, we got title, we'll need a description. Description, if I can spell it right. Let's see. Down here, we'll have description as well with list data description. Okay, so far so good. Description, list description. We need a new one instead of set title. Set description. And we're going to be updating the description. A lot of this is just going to be a lot of, how do you say, copy pasta? My response is null while I await this promise. Yeah. I always go back and forth on like proper, or not proper, because there's nothing about any of this is ever proper. About just like, I don't know, personal best practices for when I'm trying to like, I don't know, figure out how these things work. Let's give this bad boy some setting bottom of 2. I do love the shorthand that Material UI's components let you throw in there. Cool. This isn't gonna be just a regular. Oh crap! Does this? I was about to ask about that. Yeah. They like specifically the box. It's basically like a component they re-export that just has a bunch of shorthand style props you could just throw in here instead of like having to, you know, create like a style sheet or anything like that. Like you could throw border color in here of like, I don't know, red or something, right? And then you just maybe you don't see anything. Oh, it's because there's no border width. Where is it? Border. We just do border. 2 pixels solid red, right? And then boom, you just can get your CSS styles all right there. So it's actually pretty nice. Yes, it is something specific to Material UI. Although it would be nice if it was adopted like by a lot of other. I need to actually check out some other frameworks. Like I want to try out Ant-D design. Tailwind is apparently phenomenal, and everyone's raving about that. Yeah. What else? There's Ant-D, Tailwind. Microsoft's actually looks pretty good. Like I'm not gonna look because we're in a power hour, but they have their design system, which I thought was like super cool. Yeah, their calendar is super nice. Honestly, it's hard to find a good calendar. I actually think, if I'm not mistaken, Material UI recently, at least in their Flutter library, they added in their last update, they added the Material UI calendar as a component that you can just use. You don't have to like recreate it yourself or anything like that. And I can only imagine there are tons of React material like date pickers and calendars and things. So all good stuff. Cool. After you have a title and a description, I'm gonna take a second and just see how can we set rest dot input props. So we might need to spread some stuff down there. At what level would, let's see where am I at? There we go. I want placeholder. I want multi-line. And I think I need max rows. Rows max. God, that's okay. Let's give them 4. Right? So in theory, you know, as we're typing now, it will shrink and grow to 4, and then boom! Look at that. Actually, that works great. Much better than I thought it was gonna work, to be honest with you. Cool. Glad they made it so easy. Have you seen the CSS framework Spectre? Spectra? Spectre. God, I can't read. Spectre, no. What? Who made it? What's it about? What's it like? I didn't see one in Material Core. That's why I was going with Aunt D. Building that for my mom and the other teachers at her school. Oh, dude, that's awesome. Man, I would see that's like an open source project or something that I can get behind, right? Like, it's just building something for a lot of people who like a little bit can go such a long way. Like, I know plenty of teachers. I was a substitute teacher myself, right? Like, if you can, I mean, obviously you would need to be like very sure about what you're building and have the credentials and everything like that. But like, if you could just make a really simple tool that would just change the way things work for teachers, it could be so useful. Nice if you're going for a simplistic design. You're gonna make me click it. No, we're in a power hour. I won't do it. I won't succumb to, I'm gonna click it. God damn it. Oh, that does look nice. Yeah, that's actually super nice. Okay. Yeah, it's like something like that is really beautiful. I don't know. It kind of looks like the one for Material UI, but it looks good. It does look good. I'm actually curious to see how that one's different from the one for Aunt D, or was that the one for Aunt D? I imagine that was the one for the Spectra. Cool. So now we are here. We do not need erased anything. Instead, what we need, I like the big one in Aunt D and incorporation of scheduled items, because that's what's most exciting about what they need. Yeah, like being able to just schedule like classes or meetings or anything like that. Yeah, that'd be dope. How do we want to do movies? I guess we could just do a grid, right? And then the last item in the grid can just be like always a plus button. Yeah. I think that's what I'm gonna do. At least for now, right? It's simple enough. Cool. So instead of this, we're gonna have a movie list. Nope. We need to import this movie list because there's a couple, and I don't want it to pull the wrong one. Why did this get added? Wait, oh, because it's icons. Fine, fair. Why am I even using this? I'm not using that anywhere. Not using grid. How am I not using? Oh, I'm using raise text field, not text field. Okay, cool. You got me there. You win this round. Me from the past. So let's see. Here we have hooks. We have utils. And then all of our components. Let's import something from components / all right, I guess we gotta type something foo from Components slash movie list. Boom. Movie list. Oh, it didn't like something. What doesn't it like? Doesn't like this. Doesn't like just an empty thing. That's cool. That makes sense. I wouldn't like that either. Heading. Can heading not be blank? I guess not. Heading should be able to be blank. Heading and all that. We're also gonna need to adjust this a little bit to allow for, well, yeah, okay. We'll have to adjust this to actually allow for like a button to be added at the end. Or maybe we should just put a button over the top, like an add movie button, just right at the top, and then all the movies. And then even maybe even an add movie button at the bottom. Blow up a modal that lets you search and find movies. You can add them in. Yeah, I think that could be cool. I think that could be cool. Let's see. They have a few different schedules that all correlate, and they're writing them by hand on printed paper. Oh my gosh, that's rough. Like it matched what I was wanting to build on my own well enough that I think it's to save time. And I'm a noob in general. Well, hey, you gotta start somewhere, ninja. How else are you gonna grow? How else are you gonna learn? Heading is missing. I just said that heading. Oh no, I didn't say that it was optional. There. Now it's optional. Cool. So by default, yep, this list is empty. That's like a girl only giving you the first 6 digits of her number. Oh man, that's rough. It reminds me of like the Kevin Malone joke. It's like I got six numbers tonight. One more and I would have had a full phone number. Oh, so good. God. I need to just pivot the office. Make it, or pivot MovieOtter, make it Movie Office. Just an app dedicated to just the office. An app for my people, all right? For those like me. We are still doing good on time. We need to expand on movie lists. So, what we can do is actually take in something that if it exists, we plop it in here. If it exists, we plop it in here at the bottom of this as a grid item. Actually, we could just do that for either of these. Just if it exists after all these lists, we just would make a grid item and throw whatever's inside. Cool, I like that. So one thing we're actually gonna need to import is React Node because I don't want to fool around with a whole bunch of different types. We have prepend, right? And that's React Node, or we can have append. Nope. Or there we go. You have append. Is that right? It's not English right there. Prepend goes before, right? Like you pre-append. I think that's how that works. Yeah, it's fine. We're fine. Cool. And then this is gonna be actually very simple. Here we're gonna do. Oh, well, I guess this is gonna be an item that matches. Interesting. I actually don't know how best to do this. I guess I can hard code it for now and then come back and make it better later. I think that is the name of the game today. We are in this we are halfway through this power hour and we're making good progress. All right. We are making fantastic progress. In fact, we're not gonna go back and hard code anything. We're gonna have we're gonna hard code an on add function that just is ran. And if we supply an on add function, then we're gonna just add the add buttons in. We're just gonna hard code it like that. I like that. That way it's super ugly and super dirty. And so we know the next time we come back here, we need to like really rethink and revisit how we do it. So if we have on add, then we'll make a thing here. And then in this thing, in this grid box, we're gonna have a button that is add movie. It doesn't like button. It doesn't know what a button is. Button. Boom. Now it knows. Okay. Okay. So far, so good. And then I think what we should do. Ooh, movie posters are gonna need to be updated too, so that you can delete them. Okay, that's fine. This is gonna be so quick and dirty, man, but that's okay, because we are making progress on our UI. So movie list on add is gonna be a function that console.log where am I at? Butt. No, poop. My favorite. That came out really, really wrong. Poop is not my favorite. Poop is my favorite string to throw places. Hey, Game Honestest, how's it going? Cool. So if I hit this button, it's not, oh, I don't actually call. I don't call the add thing. Yep, that's needed. On click, we are gonna run on add. On add. There we go. Come on. There you go. Okay, so now here, if I click that, we get poops and console. Yeah, all the poops and all the consoles. Cool. Oh, you know what? I lied. Add movie should actually be in line with this here. Yeah, it should. Yeah, it should. Okay. Scratch everything I just did, because we're not doing it there. That's ugly. That's terrible. Whose idea was that? Pat? That was Pat's idea, I bet. Just shame on you, Pat. I don't even know if he's in chat. Shame on you. He did it wrong. Cool. Instead, in this typography, what we're gonna do, this is gonna be interesting. So we're gonna wrap this typography in a box. I need to get like I need to clip out like the GIF from The Emperor's New Groove where Yzma is just like, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put that flea in a box, and put that box inside another box, and then that box inside another box, and then it ship that box, and that is just a perfect line. That's a TikTok that I'm gonna make, because that, man, that's like a web dev's whole situation. Cool. So we need to flex display flex. I don't know if I can actually give this typography. I don't know if I need to give this typography anything, actually. Probably not. Let's just see if I can give it to a button. Button, add movie. Oh, it doesn't know what button is. That is correct. So we need to import button and box. For some reason, why doesn't box know what exists? Oh. Wait, why is that even there? I'm so confused. Oh, this should be, what? There we go. Okay. Note to self, learn the keyboard more, Isaiah. future me, okay? It'd be really, really helpful if you did it. That's a fragment. I'm gonna import fragment because I hate this stupid. Actually, no, I'm not gonna import fragment. I'm gonna disable this stupid extension that always renames things. The auto rename tag, this guy right here. It doesn't do anything the way I want it to. It's always wrong. We're gonna disable it. We're gonna disable it fully. And we're gonna reload because it's ugly. Let's see. Past you's gonna win. Just saying, no, you gotta have faith in past me, in future me against past me. I need support and help, not negativity. Gosh, come on. Throw me a bone here. Cool. So we have typography. We have this button. We have flex. Something's. Oh, I never imported button. We don't have buttons. Allied. Box. Button. What? What? Why is. What? Computer didn't shut down. The stream's still going. There are so many things I wish I could have told Current. So now when I was younger, dude, tell me about it. That is like the story of my life. Why did it just close? What? Okay. Cool. I'm not mad at you, computer. I'm sorry. I got a little upset. I lost my temper. But oh, I restarted. That's why. I'm so silly. When we restart VS Code, the like terminal engine that's running underneath it also gets restarted, and so our website got shut down. I heard if you kick it, problems will go away. If you kick it hard enough, yes, that's the key. You have to kick it. You have to kick it with love. I heard, right? Like kicking it, that's not really gonna do much. You have to kick it with love. Cool. Justify content items. I never remember which is which. We're gonna justify our stuff with space between and see if I chose the right item. Nope, I think it's justify content. Yep, justify content. It is. Do our buttons have a dense value, or compact? Maybe compact. No, nothing. Okay, cool. Well, we're gonna make a variant. The variant we're gonna use is actually contained. Yep. Color is gonna be primary. Yep. I need a smaller button. I can't. That button is like way too big for me to use it there. Button. We are doing so good on this power hour. I kind of like this. I kind of like the whole concept of just doing like I need a tiny button. Yes, exactly. I like the idea of trying to small size. God, their naming convention is terrible. Size equals small. So now we have a small button. That doesn't look smaller. Get small. Do it. That's not smaller. You liar. Oh, it is smaller. That didn't seem very small. Oh, it's skinnier. I don't know if I would call this smaller. I disagree with this. Hold on. That does not look smaller. Is it just me? Am I crazy? Right? Like That's why I said tiny. Yeah. These buttons those are like barely different. Well, poop. Why? What am I supposed to do there? How am I supposed to make that work? There is no tiny. I wish there was a tiny. That would solve all my problems. Okay, well, what we can do. Also, why is my prettier not running? Nothing's formatting. Everything's looking all weird. Today is a rough day here in the office. I pretty much only use the CSS import, but that was something that annoys me about a lot of them. Buttons are all huge. Yeah, and I get it. I guess like if you're, you know, like in theory, right? Like this is the size of a touch point that you need to like work with, right? And if there was only like one letter in here, in theory, or like a number or something, right? Then you would need to make sure it's big enough to do all that. But come on, man. Like, this is huge. Anyways, okay, whatever. That's there. That's neither here nor there. We have it. Okay, we need another state for open, right? Open and set open. Set open equals use state. We're gonna start off close, so false. Cool. And then at the end of all of this, at the end of this box, we're gonna make a modal. Oh, is it? Yeah, it's a modal, right? Off? Not user off button. Oh, Jedi, thanks for the donation, dude. Oh my god, the first tip of the stream, the first tip of an affiliate stream here, all right? Bringing in the heat. I like it. I appreciate that. You know what I'm gonna buy with that $1? I'm gonna get a nice ice cream cone. Put that $1 on the wall behind. Oh my god, that's such a good idea. That is exactly what I'm gonna do, actually. That's way better than an ice cream cone. God, this is why I need you guys here. You have way better ideas than I do. Oh man. User. It's in our user context. Nope, it is not in our user context. It's in our user. Yes, that would be a work of art. It would be best with Jedi signature on it. Oh, dude. It's not illegal to mail $1 through the US mail, right? It's only $1. How about this? How about, man, they won't know exactly. All right, we're gonna talk off stream, and we'll share some contact information. Swap and paper, exactly. If I mail you $1 and you mail me $1, then we didn't actually do anything illegal. We just traded dollars, which is not breaking any laws that I'm aware of. So it has to be fine. That's how that works, I'm sure. Off. Here we go. In here, we have pop over, and use off, and context off. We have user setup dialog. It's a dialogue. That is what we use a modal. We use a whole modal. Just right here, you see? A whole modal. Okay, well, then guess that's what we gotta use then. Where are we at? In list. Okay. So we have a modal and we have our favorite box. All right, we gotta close our box, and we also have to close our modal. And we have to import modal. No one knows what, Paige doesn't know what a modal is. Modal. Cool, great. I broke something, and I think, yes, it is this. Open is gonna be open, and it's not open. But why didn't it? It should have refreshed. Is it Matt? Nope, it's not Matt, it's there. Okay. Whenever someone clicks on this add movie button, let's see, on click, Oh man, power hour's coming to an end, but we're making good time still. No, no. We are gonna set open to true because we're gonna close it some other way, which I'm not gonna worry about now. Let's see. Just put it in an old wallet. You're just sending back his wallet that has a single dollar bill in it. That's so good. Exactly. We're swapping a dollar from a podcast to a stream. Yes. What? Yes. Pat, Jedi beat you. He donated before you, which means, oh, you know what this is? You know what this means? Technically, Jedi is he's breaking the law. He is actually breaking the law because he is a founding member of Film Beaver, right? It's official. It's on record. I have video proof that he's a founding member, a founding father, some would say, of Film Beaver. But he is donating financial resources to the competitor, Pat. How do you feel about that? How do you feel knowing that your partner in crime is a criminal? Yeah, there we go. Okay, on close. Let's do a function that sets open to false. Simple, right? Now if I click anywhere, oh wait, no, I need to refresh because that modal is old. If I add this and it opens, and then I click anywhere, oh, why didn't it work? No. Is it just not? Movie list. No, I want to get higher than movie list. List page content. Here we go. Open is true. Well, I'm clicking this. This should be setting it to false. Let's see. Did I see the quality donation message? No. Is it? I'm gonna open it off. I don't even. Let me open it off screen in case it's something super special and secret. Let's see. Let's take a gander. Come on, Streamlabs. You got this. You can do it. Where is it? How? Where is it? Where are you? Recent events. What is this? Oh, you jerk. He tricked me. Look at this, guys. I'm gonna show it. I'm gonna show you and all your evil ways here, right on stream. It's a secret encoded message. He is trying to hack me. This is corporate espionage. All right. I'm gonna sue you guys so fast. You have no idea. You don't know what kind of legal can of worms you just opened. All right. You messed up. You done goofed. Okay. Then it says found your wallet, man. I hope everything's in there. I like that a lot. How are you writing like that? What crazy tongues font did you find? With no board of directors, I'm the primary. He does what he wants. Don't try starting drama, Mr. Jelly. I'm not starting drama. I'm trying to look out for you as a legal entity. I'm trying to be a friend, okay? But hey, if you don't want to listen, man, hey, you don't have to listen. That's fine, you know? Just saying. Hi. I don't know why the on close isn't working. That should be working. Oh! No. Yeah, that should be working. Hold on. What? Set open to true, and I set open to false. Except, can I? All right, let's try this. Let's console.log poop. See what happens. Okay. If I open and I try to close, why isn't it closing? Is there like some other close after transition? No, that's not what I want. Why? If we look at mobile. Oh no! I'm running out of time. All right, we will set a timer for 60 seconds. Let's see if I can figure this out in 60 seconds. It'll be a good 60 seconds. Unclose, handle close. Something's... What? That's what I'm doing. That is what I'm doing right here. Why? Handle open, handle close. It's setting that. It's doing that. I just don't think it likes me. I don't know why. I did nothing wrong. Oh, I am an idiot. Did you guys see that little circle up there in that top corner? That just means I didn't save. Yep, that's what that meant right there. So now, if I open, no, it's not that. Man, I don't know what. I don't know what's going on. I have no idea. I know I'm trying to hurry. I can't go any faster. It won't play nicely. Oh, wait. Yeah, I'm not getting any poops printing out in chat or in console. It's a poopless console. This is not San Francisco at all. Oh no, the timer. All right, well, this is, unfortunately, we have to end on a failure. I let you down. Sorry, but we did hit a goal. We got our first donation, our first tip. Thank you so much, Jedi. And we're gonna do something special. We're gonna do something really cool with that dollar. All right. If any of you guys are fans of SpongeBob, you might have an idea of what we're gonna do. Yes, we are slowly but surely working our way towards Tesla money here. Yep. One day, just a whole lot more. More people need to be as kind and generous as Jedi. And then boom, we'll be driving around in our Tesla in no time, guys. You know, it's only $5, okay? If you don't have $5, no, I'm kidding. I couldn't stand that video. But thank you so much, guys. This is super fun. I actually really like, hey, I'll take the Twitch Prime. Hey, Twitch Prime money spends just like regular dollar bills, guys, all right? I am not too proud, all right? This was fun. I like the idea of doing a power hour. This is actually super dope. A little bit quicker, but so we couldn't really, you know, shoot the breeze and stuff like normal, but we did actually do a lot of good work today. So we're gonna end it here. I will be back again Friday. I have like 60 seconds to end before my girlfriend jumps on her thing. But thank you again, Jedi, for the donation. Thank you everyone for just stopping by. We did some good work. But cool. I will see you all Friday at 8 Pacific. Ooh, what's her thing? She's recording a podcast. You know, that thing that you won't do with me, Pat. You know, it'd be great if we could do that sometime, but yeah, I don't have any friends apparently, so can't start a podcast if you don't have friends. But okay, with that, I'll see you guys Friday, 8 o'clock. I'll talk to you guys later. See ya.